Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a work visa reference letter. This letter is a formal document issued by an employer to support an employee's application for a work visa. It verifies the individual's job role, responsibilities, and helps immigration authorities assess the legitimacy and purpose of their employment abroad. Use a formal business format that includes your company letterhead, name, address, contact details, and the date. By addressing it to whom it may concern, keep the letter general and suitable for official use, such as visa applications or employment verification. After that, write, I am writing to confirm that employee full name has been employed with company name as a job title since start date. During this time, they have consistently demonstrated professionalism, dedication, and a strong work ethic. Their responsibilities include brief summary of duties, and they have played a key role in contributing to the success of our team. We fully support employees' name in their application for a work visa, as we believe they will be a valuable asset to any organization. Please feel free to contact us should you require any additional information regarding their employment or character. Sincerely, referee's name, designation. Here's our sample work visa reference letter. You'll notice how it clearly verifies the employee's job title, responsibilities, and duration of employment. The letter maintains a respectful and professional tone while expressing support for the visa application. Its concise structure helps immigration authorities assess the applicant's credibility and purpose for working abroad. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and effective business and immigration support letters.